Hi guys, this is Chandrasekhar. Today I will let you know how to install ssms. So just open the Google and just type download ssms. So just click on the first link. You see here, I will download this first ssms version 20.2. So you see here, it is downloading. So now guys, ssms has been downloaded. So double click on this. You see this install, click on the install. Ins- so guys, I think you also know after installing this ssms, you can connect with your SQL server, and you can create your DB, you can create your tables, view functions, procedures. So actually this is a, you can say like this is an interface. uh, this allow us to uh, you can write queries, and you can actually you can say like this is an interface. In that interface you can write some queries and fetch the data, insert the data, many other things. So we will cover all these things in our in other videos. So now you can see here all specified component has been installed successfully. So after this you don't do anything. Your ssms has been installed in your machine. Thank you guys.